Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how laser cutting different thickness sheets. This 1mm stainless steel, easily cut. This is 1.5mm. 1.5mm also easily cut. You can see we need to use the hand to control the path of moving, the head moving. So it's not easy to cut the circle or something. Just straight cut easily. Straight cut is easy. This one is 2mm, 3mm stainless steel. Okay, it's cut. And this one 3mm stainless steel. Yeah, it's cut. This is the real result cutting by the handheld laser welding machine, welder.